Okay folks, here's an example of a 3-push wedge trade in action. So you can see here, this trade happened about 12:40 p.m. yesterday Eastern time on the ES. We have 3 pushes down, second push beyond the trend line, which is the best setup for this. I had actually taken a few trades here prior to being long time. You can see here, sorry, it's set up at about 12:40 and the time is on the 22nd of March. You can see that I had taken a couple of trades here and was actually down on the day. I was short on this bar, and when the trade went against me, when I saw this reversal bar, I immediately recognized that it was a wedge. Saw the good reversal bar, really beautiful looking reversal bar, and reversed long on this trade and started recording. So I'm a little bit late starting the recording. You can see that I'm already up in the trade. There was very little, there was no pullback at all in the trade. I'm in a couple of ticks too late, but I'm expecting a good run up. My risk reward measurement is also not correct, so I'm a couple of ticks lower than I should be, which means my measurement high is also in the wrong place, and this will actually affect my profit later. You will see from this wedge trade how accurate it is, because immediately when it touched the correct take profit, the 2-hour risk, so many computers and so many traders saw that it immediately snapped down again, because so many traders are taking profit at their 2-hour target. And this is a common setup. It happens nearly every day in the EES, and I just love it because it's so reliable. You go for 2-to-1 risk reward. You got, this month I believe I have 9 winners as opposed to 1 loser, and the 1 loser was my own fault. You can check back on my page and see the description of the losing trade. But here you can see that this second bar is another good confirmation bar, and even if it does pull back, it rarely goes below the breakout point here, or rarely goes below the low of the bar. So we'll let this trade play out. Let's see how it goes. See here that the market pulls back sharply just there, and I should have been out of the trade. My take profit was, I think, 2 ticks too high, and or maybe 4, I'm not quite sure, but anyway, I was starting to get a little nervous here. You can see I'm fiddling with the take profit. So you can see here we finally took profit 1 tick higher than it should have been for the 2-hour actual trade, but that's alright. It ended up being an $800 trade at the end, and quite happy with that. So up over $500 for the day, and profitable Friday. Here's a screenshot of the trade as it should have panned out. Stop loss 88.75, entry 92.75, and take profit at 375. Risk of exactly 4 points, take profit 8 points. Good day overall. If you're interested to know how I learned about the 3-push wedge trade, just check out the link below from Al Brooks' trading course.